What up, people? It's Flex with FL Studio and one channel, and today we're going to learn how to remove this thing right here. Wow, it already went away. I didn't even click anything. Remove this right here. This I believe is new to FL Studio 12, and it's kind of annoying, to be honest. I mean, it just takes up too much of the screen. Now, if you have a really big screen, it could be useful because it's really easy to like shuffle through patterns just by clicking this. But if you want to get rid of this, you're just gonna hit Alt P, like P as in playlist. So playlist picker, Alt P. Awesome, right? Now, if you want to get rid of this too, just gonna hit this thing right here, plugin picker. Cool. Now you got like a full screen. Now this video is pretty much for my laptop guys, because like your screen flexibility is limited. So yeah, if you want to come back, Alt T it, Alt T it, Alt P it rather. Sorry, Alt P. Beep boop beep boop beep boop beep. Hey, beep boop. So I mean, it could be useful if you just like, say you have like 2 playlists and you're like, dang, I want to go back to playlist 1. Quick, Alt P, bang. Now I'm in playlist 1. Coolio. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and peace out.